The bitwala card is a powerful tool for anyone looking to spend cryptocurrency seamlessly in everyday life. This card allows users to link their crypto wallet directly to a debit card, enabling instant conversion of Bitcoin and Ethereum into euros or dollars at the point of sale. Unlike traditional banking cards, the bitwala card removes the friction of manually exchanging crypto before spending, making it perfect for those who want a straightforward, functional solution. Setting up the bitwala card is simple. Users need to create a bitwala account, complete identity verification, and order the card. Once activated, the card works anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in physical stores. The card also supports contactless payments, which makes quick transactions effortless. Spending with the card is direct. Whenever a purchase is made, the corresponding crypto amount is automatically converted to dollars or euros at the live exchange rate, ensuring transparency and convenience. Fees are competitive compared to other crypto debit cards. There are no monthly maintenance fees, and ATM withdrawals in euros are affordable, with a small percentage for foreign currency transactions. Security is robust, with two-factor authentication and real-time transaction notifications. Users can easily manage spending and top up their card through the bitwala mobile app, tracking both fiat and crypto balances in real time. This card is particularly suitable for frequent travelers or digital nomads who hold crypto but need access to everyday currency. It eliminates the need for multiple conversion steps, making cryptocurrency more usable in daily life. The bitwala card offers a seamless bridge between digital assets and traditional spending, making it one of the best options available for crypto enthusiasts who want both flexibility and security in their financial transactions.